Okay, girls, so we start the feedback of chapter 9.5 area with question 6. Okay, so question 6, how do we find the areas? Remember that when we're talking about area, we're talking about filling in. Now, I'm not talking about walking. Now we're talking about filling in. So I'm going to do it with green. I'm going to split this shape into 3 different shapes. So I have here my first one. I'm going to call it shape 1, shape 2, and then shape 3. Okay, fantastic. So if I find the area of 1, that's quite simple because I know that this one is going to be a square of 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters length and width. So the area for shape 1 is going to be 6 times 6, which is equal to 36 centimeters square. Okay, with a different color, I'm going to do shape 2. Shape 2, then I have that. I know that this one, no, doesn't say. Okay, let's start here. Again, this time I'm going to highlight with blue here. So this side of this shape is 12. I know that this side is 6 and this one is 3. Therefore, 6 plus 3 is going to be 9. Therefore, this one that I'm shading here has to be 3 centimeters because it has to be equal to this 12 that I have here. Agree? So if I, maybe this will help you a little bit to visualize this one. If I project it here, and I know this side, and this side, and this side. Agree? And I highlight I use my highlighter that I used before. You agree that this, what I just highlight here, is equal to 12 centimeters, agree? And if I use my black one, I know that this bit is 6 centimeters. Why? Because it's the same one as this one here. And I know this little one here is 3 centimeters. So what is going to be here in the middle? So 6 plus 3 is 9 centimeters. This bit in the middle has to be another 3 centimeters. Agree? So now for my area 2. And now let's look about this length here. So here I have 6 centimeters and here I have 9 centimeters. Okay, so if I use here again, this one is going to be 9 centimeters. Let's project those lines here. So if I project this line, I know that this bit that I just drew here is 6 centimeters. Why? Because I project this line here. From here to here has to be 6 centimeters. So if I draw it here, it's 6 centimeters. So this little bit here that I have here has to be 3 centimeters. Why? Because I know that is equal to this side of 9 centimeters. Perfect. So I have this little bit here, but what I was looking for was this little bit here. So I know this is 6 centimeters. No, look. Yeah, this bit here is 6 centimeters. It's this bit here. So I'm going to project here another line with the yellow. So if I come here down, agree? Now, I know that this bit here is 6 centimeters. Why? Because I'm going to highlight it, draw. Because this line here. So I project this line here to here. This line is 6 centimeters. So if this bit is 6 centimeters, this small bit has to be 3 centimeters. Perfect. So I know that is a square, and it did look like a square, but I just have to make sure. So it's 3 centimeters because a lot of the times these drawings are not done to scale. So this one is 3 centimeters and 3 centimeters, so now I can do it. So the area for my second shape is going to be a square of 3 centimeters times 3, which is going to be equal to 9 centimeters square. Perfect. And now I have my third shape, which is a rectangle, which I have here. The width is 3 centimeters and the length is 9 centimeters. So if I do the area of my third shape, is going to be 3 times 9, which is equal to 27 centimeters square. So now if I find the composite, the area of the fold shape, so I'm going to say total area is going to be 36 centimeters plus 9 plus 27. So 36 plus 9, which is 45, plus 27, I don't know, I'll do it here. 45 plus 27 is 12, and 6 and 7, 72. So I have that my total area is going to be 72 centimeters what square. And that's my answer. Fantastic, that's question 6, girls.